Gotta let them down soft.
God. Diablo.
That shit is huge. What did I take out?
Alright.
Yeah, I'll put this in an AIA. These motherfuckers posting about her all day and all night, and she's just like, yeah, this is the time to break up with her. Gotta let them down soft.
Gotta let him down soft. ETS. I'm not in the clue for the Subi.
I'm aggressive.
Alright, let's open this shit up. Yeah, open this shit up, boy. Top down here. Time out.
Holy shit. That is nice.
Yeah.
This jump?
The one under.
Place it on the floor.
Doobie dreams. Hold on, just be careful now.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm grabbing this stuff on the side. I'll flip it over.
God. Diablo.
That shit is huge. Damn, so are you gonna have to take out your basically all of this?
Yep. What else we got in there?
You know, now would be a great time to install those little quick release freaking.
For real.
Yeah, but they still don't make them.
I know. Your car too new, take care.
Wow. You can really dance.
Did your tuner already give you the... He said I can run the one I have now, run some logs, and he'll fix it from there.
You know what that means?
Want to start popping clips?
Sure.
Come on down.
I was just waiting for your authorization.
Oh yeah, we knocking this out today.
Where's your shit at?
It's down over there. You're looking for the little like pop-up things.
All the way at the bottom of the first one. Left.
This one? What the fuck, Craftsman? Yo, these motherfuckers don't know how to build shit.
Oh shit. Went down by 20 bucks.
$500 wallet, man. Thank you.
Hey, you think that man's important? Where's your $500 wallet? Yeah, you right. My fault. Use the thing if you want. The little cart right under the right here. What is that taking out?
You got a flashlight or something?
Of course. Oh, are we? We got a lot of those. Clip. No.
Why would shattered?
I mean, even if it was this Ace Hardware, not too far from there. By default, to be honest. Overthinking shit. I mean, we overthink so that way we're prepared for it. Got caught blindsided once. Yeah, cut that out. Cut that. Well, to be honest with you, you don't get a ticket if it's not on your dash. So like, you can not have a front plate, but you can't have it on your dash.
Oh, you know what's crazy?
It's stupid or whatever. So like, if you got pulled over and you don't have a front plate, you'd be like, oh, like it broke or I don't have it on me, then they'll be fine. But if you have a front plate and you're able to put it on your thing right here, then it shouldn't be on your window. So if I were you, I would just keep the I'd keep the front plate, but just don't have it on that front part of your window unless you're like at like a meet or something and you want to just put it there. Rather be safe than sorry, and you duck it.
That almost.
That almost
shit out.
Yeah, you almost good shit.
Wash some fucking hands. It's massive. It's insanely massive. Alright, so we took off the charge pipe, top mount. Now we just gotta route the damn pipes. Make it sit here. Nice. That's a unit. Alrighty, on the last stages, installing front mount. Too shad. She call me Mr. Bum, belly bump.